Welcome to Thorn Creek Ranch, a 1,258-acre Oregon ranch offering privacy, improvements, water, and a true working land setting. As you begin to take in the property, the landscape unfolds, open range, rolling terrain, and the kind of space that defines Western ranch living. The main residence is a 3,336 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom custom log home that immediately reflects warmth, craftsmanship, and ranch character. Inside, the great room opens with high ceilings, exposed log construction, and a comfortable gathering space designed for family, guests, and everyday ranch life. A custom antler chandelier anchors the room, adding a distinctive Western feel and a warmth that words alone can't fully capture. The kitchen features granite countertops, a wolf range, generous workspace, and a pantry, well suited for entertaining or daily living on the ranch. The dining area connects naturally to the kitchen and great room, creating an easy flow for meals, holidays, and ranch gatherings. Log stairs lead to the upper level, where an additional living area provides flexible space for guests, family, or quiet retreat. The home also includes a functional laundry room. There are 3 bedrooms upstairs, with closet space for 2 of the bedrooms, adding convenience and comfortable accommodations. The upstairs master includes a private bath with double sinks. Downstairs, the primary suite offers a tile shower, dual sinks, walk-in closet, and a sliding glass door leading directly to the deck and hot tub, an ideal place to unwind after a day on the ranch. Just outside the home, the setting continues to impress, blending comfort with the surrounding landscape. The deck overlooks Rio Creek, offering a peaceful vantage point with the sound of running water below. An ideal place to take in the views and unwind. Quiet mornings on the deck, with nothing but birdsong and a cup of coffee in hand, watching the picturesque sunrise unfold across the horizon. The home itself becomes a sanctuary, comfortable, grounded, and deeply connected to the land. Nearby, the restored barn sets the stage for entertaining and bringing people together, while the ranch as a whole offers something more lasting: space, opportunity, and the realization of a place many spend a lifetime searching for. The ranch barn, restored in 2025 to its original character, has been thoughtfully adapted for entertaining. A barn built for gathering and entertaining, and beyond it all, a ranch that offers space, opportunity, and the realization of a lifelong dream. Whether hosting gatherings, events, or private functions, it provides a unique setting that blends rustic charm with functionality. Wildlife is abundant across the property, with strong populations of pheasants, quail, and a variety of upland birds found throughout the ranch. The land itself offers diverse terrain well suited for cattle grazing, with a balance of open ground and natural cover. Thorn Creek and Rio Creek run through the property, providing year-round water for livestock while also supporting ideal habitat for wildlife. Elk, mule deer, white-tailed deer, bear, and wild turkey all call this ranch home, adding to its recreational and ecological value. Thorn Creek Ranch represents the balance so many buyers are searching for: usable land, dependable water, quality improvements, and a setting that supports both production and recreation. With 1,258 acres, 2 year-round creeks, and diverse terrain, this is a property built for cattle, wildlife, and long-term enjoyment. From the custom log home to the restored barn and the natural beauty that surrounds it, every element of this ranch reflects a place meant to be lived on, shared, and carried forward. Whether your vision is ranching, recreation, or creating a legacy property for family and friends, Thorn Creek Ranch offers the space and resources to make it a reality. Opportunities like this are increasingly rare: large acreage, strong water resources, and meaningful improvements all in one offering. Experience the land, the water, and the potential of this Eastern Oregon ranch for yourself. Because properties like this aren't just investments, they're legacies where the landscape shapes you a lifestyle few ever get to call their own. To learn more about Thorn Creek Ranch or to schedule a private showing, contact Scott Coe of Fay Ranches today.